Hi and welcome back to the channel. So with the news of the new GoPro release, I feel it's only fitting to drop a video in regards to new GoPro users. Specifically, we are going to be discussing LRV and THM files. Now most people know what MP4 files are, but LRV and THM files are lesser known. THM files simply stand for thumbnail. So similar to this video having a thumbnail, so do the videos that you create and then ultimately view on your device, either it be the actual GoPro or through the mobile app. LRV files stand for low resolution video. So even if you record 4K video footage, when you actually view the video on your device, you're seeing a lower resolution version of that video. And when you transfer your files to your desktop, that's when you're actually seeing the lower resolution video file types next to the original MP4. Now LRV files, although lower resolution, are not innately useless. If you're on a lower end PC that struggles editing 4K video files, you may want to consider using your LRV files as a proxy video file for your originals. That way you'll have an easier time editing your footage. However, to first make LRV files useful, you'll have to rename it from LRV to MP4. As always, if you found value in this video, I encourage you to hit the like button or consider subscribing. But regardless, I do wish you all the best and thank you for watching.